Hi everyone, in this video we are going to find out the last two digits of big multiplication problems or the product. This is a common question for many competitive examination. Of course we can find out the answer using a simple trick. But before moving on to the problems, let's see how to express a negative reminders after division. So here I am taking a simple example. My first number is 104 divided by 100, and as you know, when we divide 104 by 100 we will get the remainder as 4. That is, remainder is equal to 4. Now let's take another example. 97 divided by 100. So when we divide 97 by 100, we cannot divide 97 by 100, but we can express the remainder using negative numbers. That is, 97 plus 3 is equal to 100. So when we add 3 to 97, we will get 100. That is, the remainder is equal to minus 3. So in this way, we can express the remainders using negative numbers. So we need to know this idea of expressing negative reminders to find out the last two digits. Let's take another number, 298. This number 298, when we divide 298 by 100, we know 298 is not completely divisible by 100. So usually we will write the remainder as remainder equal to 98. Or we can write the remainder in terms of negative numbers. That is, remainder is equal to negative 2. Using this concept, we are going to find out the last two digits of any multiplication problem. Here the question given is find the last two digits of 98 multiplied by 197. So the method here is to find the remainder when each number is divided by 100. That is, find the remainder when this number 98 divided by 100 or n divided by 100. So first number here is 98. So 98 is close to 100. So the remainder here is negative 2. Multiplied by 197 divided by 100 means the remainder is negative 3. 197 is very close to 200. Now just multiply these two numbers. Negative 2 into negative 3 means it is positive 6. It is a single digit number. So to make it as a two digit number, we will add 0 before. Therefore, we can write it as 06. So 06 is the last two digit of the given multiplication problem. Second question, 89 multiplied by 105 multiplied by 93. So when we divide 89 by 100, the remainder is, we can write the remainder as negative 11. Multiplied by 105 by 100 means remainder is 5. Multiplied by 93 divided by 100 means it is negative 7. Now multiply all the three numbers. That's equal to 11 into 7 5s are 35. So 11 into 35. That's equal to 11 into 35 means 3583 85. So the last two digit will be 85. Therefore, 85 will be the last two digit of the given multiplication problem. Third question, 397 multiplied by 205. So first number, when we divide 397 by 100, we will get the remainder as negative 3, and 205 by 100 means it is 5. Now multiply 5 into minus 3, that's equal to negative 15. So here the answer is a negative number. So convert this negative 15 to a positive number by adding 100. Negative 15 plus 100 equal to 85. So 85 is the last two digit of the given product. Fourth question, 4098 multiplied by 5304. 4098, when we divide by 100, we will get the remainder as negative 2 multiplied by, here the remainder is 4. So negative 2 multiplied by 4. So final answer is equal to 2 into 4 is 8. So it is negative 8. That's equal to negative 8 plus 100 equal to 92. Therefore, 92 will be the last two digit of the given multiplication problem. Hope everyone got the idea to find the last two digit of any multiplication problem. If my videos are useful, please comment me in the comment section.